YouTube, Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always, double salute. Now, today's video is pretty interesting, right? Because we're going to talk about how to build credit fast with no hard inquiry. Now, I'm going to also tell you all a strategy in terms of how you can possibly get a higher limit on your credit cards as well by signing up for this here specific company. Now, here's the thing about it. I would tell you guys, if you're just rebuilding your credit or you're just building credit, one of the cards that I would probably check out is Lockbox, okay? And here's the reason why. All right, so with Lockbox, it offers loans, okay, from $240 up to $2,400, all right? But here's the interesting thing. You don't have to have no credit history, and they don't do any, they don't do any credit check, okay? There's no security deposit and no annual fees. There's no transaction fees or late fees. So this is like, if I'm starting over and I'm trying to build positive credit history right away, then this may be one of the first ones that I would do. Then there's OpFi. And the reason that I'm telling about OpFi, again, being that it's a revolving credit card, all right, no security deposit required, but they do charge an annual fee of $99. However, I would definitely tell you, if you're building your credit or rebuilding your credit, I would probably consider getting this card because there's no impact on your credit score to get this card, okay? And as soon as you get this card, okay, as soon as you approve for this card, you can start using it right away, all right? So they give you a digital number that you can start using right away, okay? And after 6 months, you can get up to $2,000 with this here card. Now, here's something, guys. I'm going to tell you something. It's a Signature Credit Union First Starter Card, okay? Now, the interesting thing about this, they have secured cards, right? But they also have starter cards. So say that you have bad credit. Now, here's the interesting thing about this. Say that you have bad credit, right? But you have a checking account with them and a savings account with them. What I would do, and they are doing this, what I would do, I would call them on the phone and I would ask them, can I get a starter card, right? So since you already are banking with them, you have a savings account or you have a savings account or checking account with them, I would ask for a starter card instead of a secured card. Granted, with a secured card, you have to put money on it or whatever, and you can do higher limits. But I would try to avoid that and get a starter card. All right? And there's no annual fees, no balance transfer, no cash advance fees. After 1 year, you can actually upgrade the card and you get a higher credit limit, possibly. Okay? Now, you must be a member, but the credit limit starts from $250 up to $1,000. Now, the reason that I'm talking about Signature Bank is because they also offer business checking accounts. And you guys know me, I love any type of financial institution that offer personal accounts and business accounts because I want to be able to get as much money out of them as possible. Now, here's another one, CREDIT.AI card. Now, they offer no credit check, but here's the interesting thing about it. It says that you have to have funds deposited into your account, right? But it does not say you have to have the maximum amount to equal the primary trade line. So say that you have a bank account that's active, you have funds deposited and stuff like that. Long as they can verify that those funds are deposited, they will give you this credit card, okay? And it's a $1,500 primary trade line, okay? And again, this is for people that are just building their credit or rebuilding their credit. So that's the reason I'm telling you about these cards. Now, here's where the game gets good. This is where things start to change, okay? So once you have a few of those cards on hand, then you may want to look at the Patel. Now with the Patel card, they have one that goes from the Patel One, it goes from 300 up to 5,000. Okay, so if you're rebuilding your credit, or you just starting out with new credit and stuff like that, you'll go for the Patel One. The Patel 2 card is for you that have established credit and everything. Now, here's the interesting thing about this, all right? They focus more on how long you've been on your job, your income, how long you've been at your residence, do you have active email, active phone number. So in terms of like a credit score, they're not really focusing on that. They're focusing on your education level. These are the things that they're actually looking at to use as data points to get you approved for the card, okay? Now, Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Card. Now, here's the interesting thing about this. This is also considered a starter card, okay? So if you're building your credit or rebuilding your credit, you want to focus on more of starter cards or student credit cards. Now, why am I going after the Capital One Quicksilver card? Okay, one, it's unsecured. Number two is that after 6 months, you can request a automatic credit line increase if you have good payment history. Okay, so that's one of the things. Now, again, you may have a lower credit score, but they also consider your income, your existing debt load, the number of open accounts, recent credit inquiries, employment status, and housing status. Okay, now the reason that I'm telling you this, because you need to strategize, how do I get my foot in the door? And again, of course, they offer business credit cards as well, because again, you just don't want to be with a financial institution just for personal side. You want to be able to build up the credit so you can transition over to the business side to get larger lines of credit, right? Now, here's another card. It's unsecured, and it's through TDE Credit Union. Okay, now it's a master credit card. The interesting thing about it is it starts at 500. Okay, and it's designed for people with bad credit or trying to start credit, just coming out of bankruptcy. Okay, so that's the reason that I'm choosing these cards, so you can understand, like, if you want to build your credit, then these are the cards you want to start out with, okay? And I would tell you this. You don't need a whole lot of these cards as well. I would say the maximum amount of these cards you probably want to have is maybe about 4, okay? Of these low limit credit cards and stuff. And the thing about it, like I said, with these starting limits and stuff, it does give room for you to get higher limit increases once you show good payment history, okay? Now, here's something that I would definitely tell you to do. If you're just now starting to build credit or you're rebuilding credit, I would definitely tell you to add on an authorized user, okay? The reason is because an authorized user, they can increase your credit score anywhere from 25 to 50 points. Now, I have seen people add on one authorized user and they'd increase their credit score 80 points. Okay, so I have seen that on the credit file. But in terms of being conservative, I would definitely tell you, adding on an authorized user, you definitely should see about a 25 to maybe between 25 to 50 point jump to be conservative, okay? So this is something that I would definitely consider. If you have questions about authorized user, you want to check out our list of authorized user, click the link below, schedule a one-on-one consultation. We can go over your credit file and we can tell you which authorized user that would most benefit you. All right. Also, I wanted to add that in terms of these credit cards I just recently showed you, most of those credit cards, they use FICO 9, Okay, that One Credit Union, that TDE Credit Union, they pull from FICO 8, but most of the rest of those credit cards, they use FICO 9. So if you don't know the difference between your FICO 8 and FICO 9 credit scores, then you definitely should click the link, get your real credit file, okay? Get the $39.99 program, because the $39.99 program is going to give you 28 different data points. And then schedule a 30-minute consultation. We'll go over your credit file, okay? Now, here's where the game gets interesting. Everybody knows about Navy Federal, okay? Everybody knows about Navy Federal Nrewards card, because I talk a lot about them. Other people talk about them and stuff, where if you had $200 deposit, right? You had a $200 deposit, after 6 months it turns into $2,000, right? Now, let me help you all understand what happened. I have a client, okay? He joined Navy Federal. Credit score was a 555 credit score. Brand new guy, okay? So what happened, he was on the phone with the lady. She's putting in the information. She said, do you want to apply for one of our credit cards? He said, well, because I know my credit score is only a 555, only thing I can apply for is the secured card. She said, well, apply for a credit card anyway, because you never know what happens. Well, what ended up happened to this guy, and it was so interesting. She said, well, if you don't get our regular credit card, we'll give you the unsecured credit card. So he said, okay. So understanding his credit score was a 555, right? So he's like, I'm not going to get a regular credit card from them. And they end up giving him a $2,500 credit card with a 555 as a new member, as a brand new member. Now, let me add this, what he did. He did open up his bank account, his savings account, and a business account with them. Because he had those 3 data points going on as a brand new member, because they're looking at this real-time internal scoring, with a 555 credit score, he was able to get approved for a $2,500 unsecured credit card with Navy Federal. Okay? Now, that changes the game and it makes it more interesting. The reason it makes it more interesting, because now where you would say, people would say, well, I have to, like I would tell people to do the midnight hack after they join and give it about 30 days. But this was instant. That's the interesting thing about it. This was an instant situation. So I definitely wanted to share that with you, and any of you people that are looking to join Navy Federal. I did make a video on possible ways to join. There's plenty of videos out there. If you want to see that Navy Federal, how to join, or the Midnight Hack video, put it in the comment, how to join, or Midnight Hack, so we could send you over that video. And I apologize to you guys. I know you've been asking for videos for the past few weeks. I've been going through a lot. Family members dying. I just buried my brother. So I'm just going through a lot, and I haven't even been posting videos. So please excuse me if I'm not responding to your videos or whatever, or your comments. Now, here's where the game changes, okay? This is the Sable One credit card, okay? No credit check, no credit history, no social security card. You can be non-citizen, right? The thing about it, their secured card is a $10,000 max. Now, you may be like, well, I'm going to get $10,000 to put on a secured card. And the interesting thing about this card is because it gives you, after 4 months of good payment history, it turns into an unsecured card. Now, again, you're like, well, where am I going to get that type of money, $5,000, $10,000 from? Well, here's this. You have CASHUSA personal loans, okay? They're not focused on your personal credit, okay? Instead, they're looking at how long you've been on your job, how long you've been at your residence, your monthly income. That's what they focus on. So their loans go from 500 up to 10,000. Okay, you do have to have a checking account. One of the good things about CASHUSA, because they don't just look at a lot of your traditional lenders. They have tribal lenders. So when you go to the casino, lose your money, those casinos loan that money out on platforms like this. And so they use that money. They lend that money out. Now, here's another one, credit loans. They go up to 40,000. However, if you have bad credit, you can only borrow up to 5,000. All right, and unfortunately, they don't operate in New York and Connecticut. All right, but the good thing about it, they do state that they have a higher chance of approval, 90% chance of approval. So that's a good thing about it. But going back to the Sable card, right? So let's go back to the Sable card. So if you was approved for just $5,000, taking that $5,000, putting it on the Sable card, okay, making good payment history, using that card, making good payments for the 4 months. Now you have a high limit credit card, okay? Now, let's review something that I want to help you all understand, all right? So with credit loans, okay, like I said, they can offer up to 40,000. But here's something else you can do. If you want a high limit primary account, you can do like K Jewelers, or you can do rent. What is that? Rent room, rooms to go. You can go to rooms to go, and they will give you a high limit credit line, right? Interesting. Now, the reason that I'm telling you that, because if you are a member of Navy Federal, when they see you have a high limit credit line, if it's $5,000 or more, then what they do, they will give you a higher limit credit card as well. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you all. So now you understand of why, like starting with a few of these cards, getting like a jewelry store like K Jewelers, rent room, what is that, rent a room or something like that I just said. But doing those, having a good profile, and then having a personal loan, then your credit score will be should be hovering about 7 in the 700s, okay? Just having those good accounts, not making too many inquiries and stuff. And again, like I said, with those first credit cards, unsecured credit cards and stuff like that, they're going to do soft pull, so you won't have the hard inquiry on you, and they're unsecured. So if you have any questions about personal credit, business credit, then click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.